After you make this candy, you won't want anything else. An awesome and very tasty recipe. For this recipe, we'll use just a few ingredients. Here I'm starting by crushing 500 grams of toasted peanuts and with a good pinch of salt. You can also do it in the blender and there's no need to crush it too much. In a pan, let's pour 500 grams of sugar, but take out a little bit of this sugar to melt it later. After melting it, let's add 100 milliliters of water and then stir it until it's all melted again. And now it's time to add the rest of the sugar that we reserved. And let's stir until it's all dissolved again. It has to be like this, guys. The sugar that we put later is to let it more crystallized. Now put a very good tablespoon of doce de leite and mix it until it's all homogeneous. Guys, it is super delicious. Put the crushed peanuts and now you just have to mix everything very well. Now guys, let's put it in a greased form. I also put some parchment paper to help us taking it out of the form later. And let's put everything inside of this form that we have just prepared. And guys, seriously, my mouth is watering right now. Spread it for all over the corners and then take it to the fridge for 40 minutes. And after that, guys, take a knife or anything to help you and let's cut it. You decide on the size, alright? And if you prefer the written recipe, just comment down here I want so I can send you the complete list of ingredients. Oh, and also tell me down here what city you're watching us from so I can send you that special hug. Guys, this candy is so creamy, just take a look at it. Now you just have to take it out from the form and eat this delicious. It is super easy to make, very economic, and the flavor is irresistible. The caramel with doce de leite is super different and it gives total difference. Just take a look at it, guys. Just make it at your house and I'm sure you're gonna love it. A very delicious candy for eating after lunch, as a dessert, and super economic to make, like I said. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.